Your Manila tour guide, Remus Mark. How do you like my new haircut? Is it good? Well, anyways, it's 3 p.m. Yes, it's almost 4 p.m. and it's time again for snacks. So I'm buying this taho. Patingin nga yan, bossing. So taho. Let me see what's inside. Inside this big container, stainless container, is, ayan, isang timbang taho. Yung taho is silken tofu. Made of, saan ba gawa ang taho, bossing? Soya beans, di ba?
Oh, soya beans.
Soya beans.
Soya beans.
Tapos, anong ginagawa sa kanya? Pinapakuluan?
Oh.
Niluluto, no?
Niluluto. Ginigiling.
Ginigiling muna. Okay, so, anong tawag giling sa English? You grind the soya beans and then pinapakuluan.
You put the big.
You put it in a big, like a cooking pan, ganyan. And then you put, this one is syrup, so that gives it the sweet taste. And also you put pearls. Ganyan. Sago. We call sago in the Philippines. Hello, bossing. What's your name? Nawala pangalan mo, bossing. Anong pangalan mo, boss?
Angie.
See you, Mr.
Angie Patulay.
Mr. Angie Patula. Ayan, our friendly neighborhood taho vendor. There you have it. One container like this costs 10 pesos. So I bought two, only for me. That's 20 pesos, and here's my money. So there you have it, with my taho, friendly taho neighborhood taho vendor, Mr. Andy. Bye-bye.